Final call for Apple's online holiday shopping deadline within the US. If you are trying to do a little last-minute Apple present shopping for earlier than the holidays, make certain to test Apple's online buying order deadlines, where you could find the date you need to reserve specific products in case you need to obtain them before December 25th. Today, December 21st, is the closing date inside the US for almost all of merchandise, such as all fashions inside the trendy iPhone 15 lineup, as well as the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 13, and iPhone SE. The same closing date applies to all Apple Watch models, all Macs, all iPads, HomePods, AirTags, and Apple TV 4K. December 21st is also the order by date for all AirPods models apart from AirPods Max, whose closing date has already handed. The deadline for all engraving alternatives across all merchandise has additionally already passed, as has the closing date for gift playing cards by mail. If you are within the UK, things are a touch rosier, with Apple's order by date extending to December 22nd for all the above. If it seems like you've missed out, all is not always misplaced. You can still store online for in-inventory items with Apple Pickup, or 2-hour shipping out of your local Apple store. Apple is likewise going for walks extended excursion returns. Eligible merchandise at the Apple Store online which might be received between November 3rd, 2023 and December 25th, 2023 can be lower back through January 8th, 2024.